Want to know how to turn on or off read receipts on WhatsApp on your iPhone? This settings helps you control whether others can see if you've read their messages. In this video, I'll show you how to enable or disable this read receipts feature on WhatsApp. So let's begin. Open up the WhatsApp app on your iPhone, then tap on the settings option from the bottom right corner. After that, scroll down, tap privacy, find the read receipts. Make sure to toggle on this option. After toggling on this feature, the sender will see the blue ticks. Blue ticks indicate that you have read their messages. On the other hand, if you want to disable this feature, then simply toggle it off. By toggling them off, no one will see the blue ticks. So this is how you can turn on or off read receipts on WhatsApp on your iPhone. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then drop a like, and if you have any kind of questions, then simply write them down in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Until then, stay tuned.